Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
There are so many beautiful reasons to be happy. Whenever the new pages will rise, the old page will fall. It applies to human also. Life is very complicated. Don't try to find answers, because when you find answers, life changes their questions. I don't wait for happy ending. I live my happy life. You glow differently when you are actually happy. You do not find the happy life, you make it. Life is too short to spend time with people who suck the happiness out of you. If you want happiness in life, never be the owner of love. Always be a donor of love. Dream until your dreams come true. I am strong, but it hurts when I make someone my first priority and they treat me like their last option. Value the person who gives you time. It's not time, they share a part of life with you. I may not have everything I want in my life, but I am blessed enough to have all that I need. For this, I am grateful. Alhamdulillah. Keep reciting Alhamdulillah. Doesn't matter in which condition you are. All praise is for Allah. Alhamdulillah for the biggest blessing in my life, that I am Muslim. Always say Alhamdulillah for everything. Allah has blessed you with. Being a Muslim is about changing yourself, not changing Islam. If you like my video, please hit the like button and share. Subscribe my channel.